Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Buick Enclave hood step by step. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and locating the hood release lever under the left dash. Pull the lever firmly until you hear the hood pop slightly. Then move to the front of the vehicle and feel under the center of the hood for the secondary safety latch before lifting the hood. Sit close to the driver position again and pull the hood release firmly. Walk to the front and place a hand under the hood to find the safety latch, then push or slide it to free the hood. Lift the hood gently and either secure it with the prop rod or verify the gas struts hold it safely, keeping your hands away from hinges and edges while you position it. If you've enjoyed these clear steps, please like the video and subscribe for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: I keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth nearby for calm thinking about money while working on cars. Check the description to find the link and other deals for helpful resources. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If the interior release feels tight, try wiggling while pulling to relieve cable tension, then try the secondary latch again. Apply penetrating lubricant to a rusty latch if needed, and avoid forcing the hood hard to prevent damage. If the hood will not stay up or the struts feel weak, use the prop rod and consider replacing worn struts to keep the hood secure while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.